It's Catherine from Using Company. Nice to meet you today. I'm in the factory and I want to introduce this machine to you. This machine's name is 2320 inches self-service all-in-one machine. And you can see its appearance is very pretty and beautiful. And now I want to introduce its function to you. Firstly, there is a 23.6 inches monitor. And it is touchscreen. We can click here and
Number 2 calling.
number, number there. And then we can say there is a QR code model. We can scan the QR code in here. And here there is a receipt printing. In this location, we can put the post machine here. And we are factory, we are manufacturer, we have our research development. So you want to customize, just contact me, and we will know more about the requirements from your side and customize a good machine for you. Thank you. Welcome to contact me.